We advertise and promote our school district as a district with small school advantages, but big school opportunities.
The school system and the district do so much with the kids. I mean, there's so many opportunities.
My 3 boys took full advantage of every extracurricular activity that Mount Westonka had to offer.
It's fun to see families choose to move to our community because of the Westonka School District and our awesome academics that we have here.
The reality is that we're limiting the opportunities for our children, for our adults, for our senior citizens, because we have limited space.
On May 10th, Westonka residents will have the opportunity to vote on a single question bond referendum to build a performing arts center and a community recreational and activity space at Mount Westonka High School. Right now we have 35 sports teams and hundreds of community members competing for 4 gyms.
Break, switch, if you're out, you're in, if you're in, you're out.
We practice every day in an old tech room, which is a lot smaller than a lot of the wrestling rooms that people use around the state.
We're gonna have to split her up. We just got too many guys in here.
The other group goes into the lunchroom where they have to roll out the mats every single time, and it's just really hard to get the best workout in that we want to with the amount of space that we're given.
1, 2, 3, 4.
We drive over to the middle school from the high school and have practice in the cafeteria, sometimes in the hallway.
We're dancing on tile floor every day for 2 to 3 hours, and it has caused a lot of injuries on our team.
When we try to work around, first of all, the school programming and activities, and then the different youth groups that are looking to come in, it's nearly impossible to make everyone happy. We just don't have the space for it.
We have a very active senior community, but we don't have a place just to walk. It would be an incredible thing for the community to have a place just to walk.
We get requests all the time from community members, but a lot of times we just have to say no because we don't have the space available for them.
When I came to this school in '75, there was still a performing arts space in downtown Mound. When that space was torn down, we lost a gym. So now we actually have less gym space than we had 40 years ago.
We currently sit at the bottom of the conference in terms of gym space, and this proposal would bring us to the average. The Athletics and Recreation Center will include 3 multi-use courts, an elevated walk-around track, a fitness area, a wrestling room, meeting space, and additional storage.
This community develops probably the best musical talent and the best dramatic talent that I've ever seen. And for both of those, we have no good facility to show off those talents.
Right now for theater, it's a lecture hall. They only have a certain amount of stage space, so there's kids that don't get to perform and don't get to be involved in it.
The gymnasium is where most of the choir and band performances are. Needless to say, it's not ideal.
Lines of sight aren't there, the musicality's not there, the acoustics aren't there.
With fewer than 200 theater seats, we currently sit at the bottom of the conference. This proposal would put us in the middle of the pack, with a 600-seat performing arts center, including an appropriate stage, high-quality acoustics, an orchestra area, a dressing area, and storage.
The estimated cost on your taxes for this new referendum is $6.33 a month for a $300,000 home.
Mound has needed a community center for a very long time.
We have these great talents that need to be showcased.
We ask that all residents do their research. Please visit our website, gather information, and vote on Tuesday, May 10th.